maybe you should have sent it on the road. Whoever's going to be here by like.
Tight, Jesse. Jesse, tight. Eamon. Yep, let's go. Let's toss it. Here we go.
Let's go, boys. Bring it to him.
Hey, grade two. Grade two. Grade two.
Grade two. Guys, lots of game left.
Beautiful day. I'll remind you guys, hey, no one's sorry. No one's sorry at all. Coaches should be sorry. We're not preparing you well enough. We're not coaching you well enough, and that's on us, and we'll do a better job. We'll yell at ourselves. I got to correct myself. Coaches will correct themselves. We just get better. Coaches will do that. Called some bad calls, dumb calls at stupid times. You should have punted. A lot of little things. Okay? That's on us. On you guys. We didn't prepare you well enough. Okay, but here's the thing. That scoreboard does not identify who you are. That's not your identity. You guys got to understand that. It's a football game. It's a game. You play at a game. You play. Now I feel for the seniors. We didn't play very well, did we? We did not. That was not our best game. That's unfortunate. We had a great chance here. Played great last week. They just wanted more than us. They're a little more physical. They were, right? So that's the weight room. That's the weight room. So we'll see who kind of sucks it up and quit complaining about a drop pass here or a bad throw here or whatever. We're just not, we need to be a little more physical with all our guys, get more numbers. Get more numbers out. But I want to remind you guys, that does not reflect who you are. You're not losers. It's a game, it's just a score. You got to believe that. And the word today was see it, believe it. So now see it was pretty bad. Believe we'll get better. You got to believe we'll get better wherever we do. And the seniors, man, I feel for you. Sorry, let you guys go on a loss. But you know what though? You got to win. First time in what, guy? 3 years here?
Yeah.
Whatever it was. You guys are the legacy. You got to win. And that's what I want you to remember. You got to win. That hasn't been here for a long time. Trevor, you listening? Isaac, you listening?
Yes,
James Winter, Bryant Colonel, Morrow, you seniors. Remember that. You're the one that's got to win here. You're the one that brought a win here. And for that, we love you. We love you. Enjoy this day. So here's what we're doing, guys. See, we're going to go in. You got to put your jerseys.
Family on three, family on me. 1, 2, 3.
Family!
Hey, to the green
Put it
room.
into words. Obviously, you guys going independent. You guys were in a lot of ball games.
Yeah.
I know record-wise, maybe it wasn't what you guys wanted, but
Yeah.
what did you guys accomplish this season?
We accomplished a lot of confidence, getting that one win. We accomplished a lot of team bonding this season. A lot of players made a lot of good friends, and going to keep that going next year. Got a lot of juniors, so we have hope for next year. And this season, it was just really about sticking it out and keep going and not giving up, even though we only have one win on the year, but that one win means everything.
Take me back to last week in that one win.
It's probably the best feeling I've ever had, having that one win after being 0-18 through my high school career, and going out to get that win just felt really good, and the whole team felt really good. It was amazing.
What do you make of this day? You guys share a stadium with Kiggins Bowl. Obviously, that is your true home, but this is also your true home, right? This final game at home. What is this atmosphere like for you?
It just feels like another day at practice. It feels great to come out here and play at our own school and be the first varsity game on campus. It means a lot to know that we can look back and have something to look back on that was really great for the season.
What are you going to remember most about this season?
Probably when we took a trip to Bellevue, about 6 hours away. It was really fun. That was probably the best time that I've had in a while.